DesiBlitz.com।
तू मेरा जिंद महिया, मैं तेरी जिंद महिया। तू मेरा जिंद महिया, मैं तेरी जिंद महिया। आजा दो में नचिए, आजा दो में नचिए, आजा दो में नचिए, आजा दो में नचिए जिंद महिया। Jind Mahiya, this song is a complete feel-good experience, very upbeat, melodious tune, and with Kuljit Ji's music arrangements that give it that grand feel. I would like to mention about how rich and expressive the poetry is, which adds that depth while still keeping the mood light and happy. I feel it's that track that makes you smile and groove and enjoy being in love. मैं भी कमली हो रही, तू भी कमला हो रहा, वो भी गाना खत्म करे, दिल दा मामला हो। Rag Bhairavi, I've always been very attracted to this particular rag, and I feel an incredible emotional depth. It carries a very soulful, devotional mood with a sense of calmness and reflection in it, but at the same time it can express romance and longing so beautifully. I would also like to mention how much Bhairavi is there in our very rich folk tunes, like for example Heer, Tappe, Boliyan, and many popular songs like Kala Doriya, Suhe Vechire Waliya. I feel this rag fits into any category like folk, classical, and modern music effortlessly without losing its identity. In Rag Bhairavi, I would like to sing a few lines written by Baba Bulle Shah, and I sang this for Kuljit Bhamraji's album, The Essence of Rag Tal. आओ सैयो रल दियो नी बधाई, मैं वर पाया रांझा माई, निया सैयो रल दियो नी बधाई, निया सैयो। जोर दावे आनी मैनू गोडे गोडे चा, गोडे गोडे चा नी मैनू गोडे गोडे चा। जोर कहंदा भाभी मैनू नच के वखा, नच के वखा नी भाभी नच के वखा। Working on this album has been one of the most fulfilling experiences of my musical journey. What excited me was the emotional range that I got to explore through the songs I sang, each one completely different yet equally special. And what truly elevated the entire experience was working with Kuljit Bhamraji. He is a true maestro. Even the most intricate and technically demanding parts felt effortless, and the recording process never felt stressful. Instead, it felt very inspiring and so much fun. And he has this rare ability to bring out aspects of my voice that I didn't know existed. So during the creation process, I discovered new strengths, new emotions, and a deeper understanding of myself as an artist. There are many singers who have inspired me, but I would like to particularly mention the Nightingale of Punjab, Surinder Kaur Ji. To me, Surinder Kaur Ji is the ultimate role model in Punjabi music. She wasn't just a singer. She is the voice of Punjab's soul, graceful and emotionally powerful. She sang every tune, every folk song, or a tune filled with longing, with such honesty and clarity that it just feels effortless yet deeply moving. And as a singer, I always aspire to carry that same sincerity, that grace, and cultural pride in my own music. To me, Desi is all about pride in our roots, the music, the language, the energy, and the emotions that connect generations. Being Desi means celebrating where you come from while embracing it proudly in everything that you do. Being Desi also means being part of the album Desi, the Soul of Punjab.
DesiBlitz.com